Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today's video about the farmhouse style. I start sanding my piece to the bare wood on the top and a little bit light sanding on the bottom, then I remove the knobs to start painting. When I was painting my first coat, I was a little bit worried that the wood will bleed through the paint, but Country Chic paint was actually perfect for it. It did need it like 3 coats if you want to have a perfect finish, but for me I wanted to distress my piece, so I just did 2 coats. I start giving my piece my second coat and I already noticed the difference with it, because when you add your second coat you won't see the wood or the brush mark on your piece. So far I like it with 2 coats. I'm not gonna add the third one. For the distressing, I start adding my dark wax, which is actually antique wax, not dark, and then I added my natural wax on the areas that I don't want it to be very dark. I'm adding my natural wax here and mixing it with the dark or the antique wax. Then after I'm done, I'll just wipe it down, and if I don't like the results, like if it's a little bit too dark for me, I'll just add another coat of natural wax and wipe it down. You can always control how dark you want your piece with a natural wax. Same process for this side, then we're going to do a different style or process for the other side. Here I notice the difference between the 2 sides, because on the right side, if you see, is too dark compared to the left one. So I just start wiping it down without adding anything, and I notice like, yeah, I still can remove, because it's not dry, I still can remove the dark wax. As I said, if I want it a little bit lighter than that, I'm just gonna add a natural wax, then wipe it down. For this side, I'll be adding the natural wax first, then the antique wax. When you add the natural wax first, you're definitely going to have more control of your dark wax. If you don't want your piece to be too dark, you can just wipe it down, and as I said, you can add more natural wax and wipe it down. You will have very light distressing or the antique color to it. Same process to the rest of the piece. The sides and the drawers, I'll be adding natural wax and dark wax. With the last step adding the wax, now we're done with the bottom piece. Let's start with the top part. And for the top part, I already sanded it down to the bare wood. I'm adding my stain. It's Walnut Color by Main Wax. I'm gonna do 2 coats. it, let my stain dry for a few hours, and I'll be adding my top coat. Is polyurethane oil based by Minwax. I did 3 coats. I'm using my painting sponge. It will give you very nice finish. It's like smooth, no marks, brush marks, or the roller. I really like it. I did fix the dripping if you see on the side, but I didn't record that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you need any help. All the products I used in this project, it will be listed down in the description box. Check it out. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support.